integrating Amazon SES with Postfix. In this tutorial, I'm going to use CentOS server. Let me show it. This is my CentOS server, CentOS Linux 7 server, and this is the Amazon SES official guide. And there are some other ways to how to integrate the SES with SendMail, Microsoft Exchange, but today we are going to talk about how to integrate in Amazon SES with Postfix. Okay, this is the official guide. I put the link in the description. There are some prerequisites before installing and configuring the Postfix. First, install SendMail if you already installed the SendMail into your Linux server. In our Linux box, no SendMail install, so then we have to install the Postfix and some cyrus-sasl authentication packages. So for the CentOS, these are the packages, and Ubuntu these, and I'll put the description box. I think I already installed, that's why it's showing nothing to do. Then we have to verify our email addresses, Amazon SES. Then you have to go to the Amazon AWS console and go to the SES and go to the email address section. I already verified one email addresses. In our case, we have at least 2 email addresses because in the manual you can see there we need 2 email addresses, send address, from address and to address. So that's why we need 2 email addresses. I added one already. Then I show it how to add new email address, verify new email address, and copy another my email address. I put it there and verify this email address, and it's showing pending verification. Then I'll check my inbox. Yes, I received the verification request. I click it. Congratulations, you are verified. Let me check. Still pending verification status. Let me refresh it. Okay, cool. I verified my 2 email addresses. Now I am going to the SMTP settings. I am in the North Virginia region. This is my SMTP server name, and this is other they giving the ports. So I copy it to the notepad. I already copied it, so delete it. And now I'm going to show you how to create the SMTP credentials. Create my SMTP credentials, and you have to give whatever name you like. Let's name it SES SMTP user 04. Create. Then show your SMTP. Then you have to copy these credentials. Now our SMTP user account created. Let's go back to our manual. Okay, now our prerequisites are completed. Now we are going to configure in the Postfix. First thing, to configure the Postfix, at the command line type following command, and they mention only you have to replace your SMTP server name. Let's copy it. You can copy here also, or just you can copy this one, or you can copy this. Copy. Just put it. Just only replace your SMTP server name. And we are going to copy all thing. I'm going to paste it. Enter. Hope you can see it. Okay. Then in the text editor, open this file and search following entry. If you find this entry, comment. Let's check this file. Shift G and press Let's check. No file found, so no need to worry. If you find this entry, comment. If not, just ignore it. Then in the text editor, open the etc postfix cyrus-sasl password file. Okay, and at the following line, let's first create this. First you have to open this file and add below context. You can see it. You have to add your SMTP server and your SMTP username and your SMTP password. Let's copy this. Then we will replace the requirements. Just copy SMTP username, just delete it, and we will add our SMTP name, and you have to add the username. Just copy your username and paste it, and SMTP password. This is your SMTP password. Just copy it and paste it. And now saying you have to go to the etc postfix SSL password. Open this file and you have to add this line. Save. Then after it, just close it. Then you have to type following commands. And this is optional, but we will do it at the command prompt. You have to ownership, we'll add it, and another command, and tell the postfix where to find your CS certificate. And if you are using CentOS, Amazon Linux or Red Hat server, you have to paste this command. If you are using Ubuntu, you have to paste this command. If you are using Mac OS, paste this command. Just so we are using CentOS, we'll copy this command and paste it. Okay, after you generate the certificate, type following command. Okay, just copy it, paste it. Now we have to restart your Postfix server and reload. Start your Postfix server and reload. Let's check the Postfix status. You can see systemctl status postfix. See, your Postfix is running now. Let's try to send mail, test mail. Okay, in the manual showing how to send the test mail. First type send mail -f, send the email address, sender and recipients. Now you have remember we already added verified with SES the sender and recipient address. If you are not verified your email address, you are unable to send the mails, right? So let's try it. Send mail -f. We have to add the from address. Let's add the from address as cloud emp1, and to address is this one, cell cloud contact. At center, and you have to type from name contact, let's whatever you, then to send the mail address and subject. If you say alert and the subject you want, this is test mail from SL Cloud. Then you have to add the full stop mark, and again you have to add the full stop mark, enter. Okay, now let's check our mailbox. Yeah, so we have received the mail contact. This is the mail ID. This is a test mail from SL Cloud. So you have another template. You can, if you want more advanced mail template, you can use below template. And I have to mention another thing. This is the basic mail template, but if you use in the advanced one, you can use it. And if you want to, if you don't like to verify one by one by mail address, you can verify the whole domain in the SES by adding DNS record. If you need, let me know. I will do another video how to verify the domain in the SES. Thanks for watching, guys.